What it do, world? It's your boy back with another quick how-to. Have you ever needed to easily convert a file to another file type? Well, I got another free tool for ya. Let's jump into it. Open your internet browser and go to tinywow.com. I've put the link in the description. TinyWow provides free online conversion, PDF, and other handy tools to help you solve problems of all types. And yeah, I did mention it's 100% free, my G. Here we go. Click whatever file you want to convert. In this example, I'm gonna go from Word to PDF. Click Word to PDF. Then click Upload from PC or mobile. Find your file. Check I'm not a robot, ha ha ha. Let that bad boy finish processing. Then click Download and save it somewhere on your computer. Let's see what we got. All done, baby. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit the red subscribe button for you, boy. Stay woke. 1.